Hey everyone, so right now I'm eating chicken curry, as you can see, that she made for me. It's very delicious. You should definitely try this. See, look how delicious that is. But don't, this is, it looked a lot better before I ate it, but it's really good. So, I'm about to have dessert, and I'm very excited. It's going to be something special that I've never had before, and it's going to be, I'll give you a hint, it's something yellow, something sweet,
Just like
just like, yep, poo poo.
hello.
Yeah. Okay, well, stay tuned so you can see what I'm gonna have.